Let's turn to those skyrocketing gas prices that are crushing so many American families.
I paid more last week to fill my car up than I've paid in over 2 years.
Okay, got some bad news for you. The U.S. gas price has reached a national average of $4 a gallon.
Whether you are behind the wheel or not, gas prices are hurting our wallet.
I mean, at this point, I'm honestly thinking about maybe, taking out a second mortgage on my house or selling one of my kidneys or something.
Experts say inflation and Russia's invasion of Ukraine has caused gasoline prices to soar.
So here's the scoop, guys. This is what we're doing today. I had this idea. Fuel prices are through the roof right now. I mean, it is outrageous. It's just crazy. So what we're gonna do is I want to see if Uber Eats, people that are doing that driving and everything like that, if that actually can pay for the fuel to deliver in stupid duty right now. We got to make some money, and be able to justify driving this around. So I'm going to fire up the old Uber Eats app, and we're going to go active, all right? All right, so we got our first...
Head to your pickup at Taco Bell 2490 Crater Lake Highway.
Wait a second, is this the Taco Bell right here?
Is that Taco Bell right back there?
Damn it!
Whoops!
All right, so we'll just flip a...
Turn on Poplar Drive.
We'll just flip a bitch here.
All right.
Just like put this thing right up here.
Make a left turn.
Make a left turn, what?
She has no idea what she's talking about.
Yeah.
Uber Eats app, kind of a dum-dum.
Doesn't like to turn sideways either.
No. And it looks like we have found, our destination.
Yeah, we were just sitting right by it.
Yep.
All right, got our first delivery, the first order. This is done. All right. Right on, man, it's official. We got jobs of being Uber drivers, deliveries, things. We made our first couple bucks. I don't know how much we got paid for that one. 35 cents.
35 cents.
Yeah, something.
We're millionaires.
On our way there. By the end of the day, dude, we should be right up there. Freaking Jeff Bezos style. Brought up, do I have an issue with the delivery? And it said I have to contact the recipient or report an issue. I don't have any of those. I already gave the food, but it won't give me any type of, I hit back. It's not doing anything. I don't know what's up with that. Oh, now we just got the freaking spinning ring of death.
Yep.
Let's call support. Whatever.
If you need help with this order, say yes. I understand you are calling about an issue with your delivery. Can you provide a bit more details? I think you're having problems marking an order as delivered on the Uber app. What's preventing you from marking the order as delivered?
Can't mark ordered delivered.
Okay, Uber app support.
For support, this is JMR today. And you successful deliveries, okay? So thanks for completing the order. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I already end the trip on your behalf. So you will pay for this trip, okay? For support, bye for now.
All right, thank you, sir. Bye. Wow, dude, that was painful. That was so painful.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Especially if you end up having to do that multiple times.
Oh my gosh. So, I guess now we're waiting for the next order, and Barry and I are gonna go get some food for ourselves. All right. All right, Barry and I are at In-N-Out right now. We're getting ready to order some food through the drive-thru. We're
going through the In-N-Out in this thing?
No, this is the first time right here.
Awesome. This is perfect. This is like the drive-thru to go through for this truck.
This is gonna be tight here, going around up through.
Oh, yeah.
Going through that right up there. We've got a nasty turn there to get around. Yeah, that's gonna be a pain in the butt. Do a pink lemonade. All right. For you?
I'd like a double-double with extra pickles, extra chilies. I would like the grilled onions. I'd like some fries, animal style. And that should be all.
All right, you can see in there, the back tires there. We're gonna have to drive up over the curb a little bit, probably. We got that turn here coming up. That's gonna be a bit of a challenge. I got an order for Red Lobster. We just picked up an order for Red Lobster, so we're gonna head over there. Wow, it's pretty tight fitting through here. You can see the top of the truck there. This is pretty skinny for sure. Hello. Yep. Thank you. Make some money, try to pay for this fuel. Hopefully it works this time.
We'll find out.
There we go. Red Lobster to go, man. Eat this up at my house. Worked fine that time, dude. Photo was submitted, I hit delivered, went right through, dude.
Awesome.
Yeah. All right, so we just pull in here because I was going to use the restroom at Sportsman's, and Buffalo Wild Wings right next to it. And we get it literally like right here. Like, what is up with the odds of getting an order right when we pull into this parking lot?
It's meant to be, man.
Dude, it's weird. So, it's like whatever. So, I guess I'll just jump in here real quick and get our order. I'm never going to get to eat my burger that we got from In-N-Out.
I know. Oh my God.
All right, well, let me go get this order from Buffalo Wild Wings.
All right.
Next order, man. Let's get on the road and freaking make some dollar bills. Or at least a couple pennies or something. All right, Jeffrey. Get you your Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm jealous. Now we're making money. We're up $20.91 so far.
Damn!
Yeah, man. I'm freaking stoked. I don't know if we're actually really making money, but yeah. Yeah, right on. Let's eat our burgers and then make some more.
Hell yeah.
All right, after the last delivery, we've been sitting here like in Buffalo Wild Wings parking lot for, I don't know, I want to say at least 15 minutes.
Just licking our own asses.
Yeah, I mean, seriously. So, but we're gonna go park somewhere else because I don't know how this app works, if it's based off regional with the food, and if you're in a little pocket, then you end up get dinged because all our other stuff, as soon as we pulled up close to the restaurant, we got dinged for an order. So we're gonna run over to the south end of Medford and see if we can actually, I don't know, at least drive around and get something. We're gonna park at a couple restaurants over there and see if something comes up. All right, we got our next order for KFC. I don't know how many more we're gonna do. This might be the last order for the day unless we get another one pretty fast after this. Man, now I get to smell fried chicken the whole time while we drive around. This job is like torture, seriously.
All right, so what do you think of the job so far?
I significantly dislike it. I mean, and here's the thing, okay, I'm biased towards like not liking it because of the area that we live in, okay? There's just not a lot of business around here. I mean, our local city that we're in right now has got a population of what you say, like 80,000.
Yeah.
And so that is our biggest hamper right there. You've got like you know, say 10 other people doing the exact same thing, there goes all the potential business that you have that's going on. I mean, right now we're probably making less than $5 an hour driving around and doing this. And it's fine for us just doing this and having fun making a video, but realistically, like, this is not like functional. This is not sustainable. There's no way I could support a livelihood or a family doing this at all. All right, dude, so this puts us at $27.47. We need to go get fuel, see how much it costs to fill up the tank where we're at on this thing right now. And oh, we just got, okay, so we're at 30, my bad, we just got paid. We're at $35.37, all right? So you can see that right there.
There we go.
So
okay.
Let's go get fuel in the truck, see how much that costs us for what we did. I'm just gonna stop wherever on the way from where I'm at right now. You know, I'm not gonna cherry pick our gas station. So, and see how much it cost us and how much we actually made for the day. All right, what's, I didn't even see, what's our diesel? 539, 540 pretty much, 539 and 9/10 cents. So 540 a gallon here for diesel. And let's see here. Let me look again. All right. Okay. $10.66. So, wow, we only burnt 2 gallons worth of fuel.
Like the third person.
I'm kind of surprised that that's it. You know, I felt like we did more than that. But I guess if you had a really fuel efficient car, you could do way better. So, wow, man, I'm kind of dumbfounded by that. All right.
Changes your mind a little bit?
Nah, I don't think it changed my mind that much because we've been at it for what, 3 hours?
Yeah, I'd say so.
All right. So let me look here again. Blah, blah, blah. See how much money I've got. Yeah, so we made $35.37 on the day. $10.66 away from that. Okay, whatever. We made $20, $24. All right, 3 hours to make 24 bucks. No, like, no. I'd go work at freaking Five Guys or freaking, you know, McDonald's. Yo, make $15 an hour.
Right.
But
I love your trip.
that's dumb. Oh no, you're all good, man. We're just making a YouTube video. I'm just doing Uber Eats to see if you're paid for the fuel in this thing.
Yes.
So.
Oh, that's so great. Impressive. It's a impressive truck.
Thank you.
Good Lord.
Yeah, man.
Right
I like
on,
it.
right on. I love it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, will I do this again? I don't know. We'll see. See how you guys like it. We might do it in another town or something like that, or maybe do it during lunchtime.